Dalit and Andy from Swiss Cognitive, co-founder from Swiss Cognitive. We are AI investor advisor, and we're here by the Ai+X summit here in Zurich. And nice to see all these startups, and we see a lot of potential in AI.
It's great to see, give the Swiss ecosystem this visibility. We have awesome startups around AI, and we are definitely a super innovative country, so also super interesting for investors all over the globe to connect with these startups.